Di na ako mag-explain kung ano yung Valorant. So, parang Counter-Strike.
Alarm bot. Placing swarm grenade. Bot.
Ayan, nandito na sila.
Last player
Ouch!
standing. One down. One enemy remaining.
What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Double G, Double O, GGYLO. And for today's video is maglalaro tayo ng Valorant. And ngayon is ako'y nagbabalik mag-vlog dahil ilang months hindi ako nag-vlog ngayon 2021. Pero ngayon mag-vlog na tayo. And yun, so maglalaro tayo ng Valorant. So nag-start lang kami, maglaro nito last year. And ayun, so disclaimer, hindi ako magaling mag-Valorant. Pero maglalaro tayo ng Valorant, okay? So let's go! Hi guys! Ayan, so
itong channel ko, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yan, GGYLO, double G, double O, GGYLO. Yan, so, ito yung mga videos ko. Ayan, so,
ngayon, bago matapos ang taon na to is balik tayong vlog dahil marami tayong pinagdaanan sa buhay this past few months. But ngayon is magbablog na tayo. Okay. Lego. So, kasama ko yung ate ko. So, ito yung mga IGN namin. And so, follow us. Oy, Singapore to mo. Hindi, okay na yan. Okay, let's go. So, guys, nublan talaga ako.
Match found.
Wala mag-e-expect, okay? Wala mag-e-expect, okay?
ayan, so, hindi na mag-explain kung ano yung Valorant. So, parang Counter-Strike. Yan, abutan niya. Ang luma. Kikilljoy ako. Ayan, so magkikilljoy tayo. Sa page ko, sa FB. So, follow me or follow niya yung page ko. Yung same lang din. GGYLO. Ayan.
So, punta tayo sa B. Doon tayo magtanim.
Alarm bot out.
Going gay.
Punta tayo sa A, okay. Going to A.
Spike is A. Placing swarm grenade.
NANI?!
Swarm grenade out.
Ba't ko binato yung ano?
Reloaded.
Baka mag-rotate sila.
Swarm grenade out. Spike down B.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just can't get into it.
One enemy remaining.
Nandito sa akin. Nice.
Only one hero.
Put them there.
Mag-stick lang tayo sa B.
Target out. Down. Spike down A.
Reload him.
Placing swarm grenade. Swarm grenade out.
Ay, sayang yun. Ay, nabulag ako,
Out of
Phoenix.
charges.
That's done.
Hindi ako. Nice.
Placing swarm grenade. Swarm grenade out. Spike down A. Aww, don't try harder.
Oh
Reload.
my god, ang bilis ng mga kasama ko.
Found him.
NANI?!
Turret down. That's done. Placing swarm grenade. One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Use everything
Last
you
round na
have. You lose it
magka-12
anyway.
na matatapos na yung game natin.
Placing swarm grenade. Swarm grenade out. Placing swarm grenade. Swarm grenade out. Placing alarm bot. Found them. Turret destroyed. One down.
One enemy remaining. Spike down B.
Is this the
Ako ba
best?
nakapatay o si Rain? Ba't ako nag-ulti? Tayo pala mamaya na ako nag-ulti.
Switching sides.
We win
Match
this war.
point.
Let's do
Ah,
it.
tama lang pala. Match point na. Kasi may last
Reloaded.
round na gano'n.
Keep it up.
Ito natin batuhan agad ng ano.
Spikes down.
Reloading.
Ayan, tama natin si Chen. Nice game, everyone.
Attackers win.
Nice game dahil wala naman silang panalo. Bakit ganon? Ayan guys. So, yun yung video natin for today. Welcome back ulit sa pag-vlog. And yan, thank you for watching my video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh my God, na-miss ko yun, yung line na yun. Yan. So guys, subscribe, share nyo to. Kung na-enjoy kayo. At kung naglaro ka ng Valorant, hopefully maka-upload pa tayo ng iba't ibang Valorant gameplay. Yun lang guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Ingat kayo. Stay safe. God bless.